Hi all, welcome to Mano Cooks and I'm Mano. Wondering what to cook for lunch, which is easy, yummy yet nutritious? In this video, let's quickly see a comforting meal which is very delicious and easy to prepare. It is very delicious, authentic Karnataka style Bisi Bele. Before we start, if you're new here, please do subscribe to Mano Cooks to learn more such wonderful recipes with tips and tricks, and also please click on the bell icon. We will be making this recipe in one pot, so it's much easier and gets done real quick. Let's take a pressure cooker, add dal and rice and allow it to soak in water for 30 minutes. I'm taking Sona Masuri rice here. You can also take your regular rice for this recipe. After 30 minutes, we can see that the rice and the dal are soaked very well. Now wash them and add 4 cups of plain water. So now for the vegetables, I am adding potato, beans, carrot and green peas here. Wash and add them one by one into the pressure cooker. Quick tip here, cut all the veggies as shown in the video, like 1-inch long pieces, as we need the veggies to be cooked well as it should hold the shape. You can also add any other veggies of your choice as well. Now add salt, turmeric powder and oil and mix everything well, and let's turn on the heat on medium flame. Close the pressure cooker and cook on medium flame for 2 whistles. In the meantime, let's get ready for the next step. For this, take a pan, heat it on medium flame, add oil. Once it is hot, add mustard seeds. Once they crackle, add dry red chili. After that, add asafoetida. Add peanuts. If you like cashew nuts, you can add it in this stage. Add curry leaves followed by turmeric powder. Give everything a nice mix and let's roast the peanuts for some time. Now let's add chopped onion, and after that let's cook everything on medium flame until onion is cooked really well and turns transparent. This Bisi Bele Huli Anna is the best flavorful dish that you can make on any lazy day with minimum effort and maximum veggies. And you can almost make anybody eat this and shower you with appreciation for the best meal ever. Now once onion is cooked well, add chopped tomato. Skip tomato if you don't like, but this gives a nice taste for this dish. Quick tip here, if you skip tomato, you can increase the tamarind juice. Now let's add turmeric powder and red chili powder and mix well and keep cooking. If you like this video, please remember to give a thumbs up and do comment me down below. I have some classic recipes on my channel which are a must try. Please do watch them and do try at home. Keep cooking on medium flame. Once tomato turns mushy, add capsicum. If you want, you can skip capsicum, but try adding it as it gives a great flavor and crunchiness. Quick tip here, we need the capsicum to be cooked and crunchy, so please do not add that in the pressure cooker. While capsicum is getting cooked, add salt. Remember, we have also added salt while cooking rice and veggies in pressure cooker, so add accordingly. Now let's add the Bisi Bele Baat masala powder. This is homemade, authentic, fail-proof Bisi Bele Baat powder. If you want to see the recipe, please let me know in the comment section down below. Let's saute the masala for a minute and add tamarind juice. I have taken a small gooseberry sized tamarind and soaked it in 1/4 cup plain water. We have also added tomatoes here, so this quantity would be good enough. Quick tip here, remember not to add tamarind juice in the pressure cooker as that would not allow the dal to cook properly. Now add 1 cup of water here and allow it to boil until the masala is nicely cooked and raw smell goes off. Now once the pressure is released, open the pressure cooker. We can see that everything is cooked really well. The veggies are holding their shape, rice is cooked nicely and dal is also cooked well. So let's now keep the pressure cooker on low flame. Time to add the boiling masala mixture to the pressure cooker. Mix everything well. Bisi Bele Baat tends to thicken over time, so if the consistency of the pressure cooked rice mix is thick like how you see in the video, we would need to add some boiling hot water to this. So please keep a pan and add 1.5 cup of water to boil. Power tip here, please do not add plain water in this stage. Water should be really hot. Mix everything and let's cook for 5 minutes in low flame until all the masala gets cooked with rice and veggie mix. Now taste everything for salt and add pure ghee on top. Mix everything and the final consistency should be as you see in the video. It should not be too thick, should not be very runny too. If you like this video, please do share this with your friends and family, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and press the bell icon too. Now our authentic Karnataka style Bisi Bele Baat is ready to serve. Turn off the flame and serve it piping hot with ghee and bundi on top and a nice curd raita or a papad to go with it. This is such a great dish with loads of flavors and easy to make and easy to serve, and what more, It's just one pot dish. So do try this at home and do let me know how it turned out for you. Thanks a lot for watching.